Hi guys, what if I tell you that you don't need to learn Python and any kind of coding language to automate your trading? So if you are doing something like manually punching the orders in this 2026 in the time of where AI is going and this you are so you can consider using AI to automate your trade. So suppose you have any kind of manual strategy and you watch any video where you want to automate the trading like something like that Subhashi's 5 EMA and Bullingham many strategies are there. So these strategies are very good, but if you run it using the algorithm then only it will give the result because manually doing is like very risky. Whenever we do manual trading, we will be stuck in revenge trading, not cutting losses, booking small profits. So if you want to avoid and automate it, like then you are on the right channel. So let's get started. So for that purpose, you just need three things. First is your broker. So if you have account, you're trading, you have your broker and all brokers provide API. You just click on the section. Every broker is having one section that is called trade API. You click on the trade API and here it will show some create token. Yeah, create credential, something like that. You click on that, it will create a one token. So this token we will copy. So here I have already written what we needed. So we need our SH token, we need TOTP secret seed, phone number enemy viewer, MPIN is your MPIN, UCC is unique client code. So that you will get from the profile of the broker, phone number you have, MPIN you have, this token we have generated just now, and the TOTP from where we get, I'll show you. So here is one section called TOTP generation. Once you click there, you will get the seed. So I have already generated it. If you have not done, just click on that. You will get the seed, and then you can log in using the authenticator. So that's it. Once you get the seed, you will just copy paste here. So these all we need from the broker. That's it. Here is one IP showing that whitelist IP. So what is it? As per the SEBI new rule, your order will come from only the static, that is IP fix. It should not change, and that IP you have to need to whitelist there. So we are going to use the AWS server for the purpose. So here is my AWS account. You can also create the AWS account. AWS is providing 1 year free $100 that you can use in like running your algo. So I have created an EC2 instance. You just click on the EC2 instance and you can start this one. This we are going to use. So here, but there is one section called the elastic IP. Once you click on generate elastic IP, you will get one static IP. Same IP you copy and you paste into the broker's terminal here in the whitelist section. Once you do that, that's it. That's what you have to do in the broker side. And there is one Python SDK showing. Python SDK, once you click, it will open one link of the. So every broker is having their SDK, all the APIs what they follow. So this link we just copy for the reference. I'll show where we will use it. So see, now we are going to automate Subhashi's Pani 5 strategy. So here is the video link. So what I have done, I have copy pasted this video link here and I convert it to the text using the Gemini. So here is my Gemini. I have already written, I have already pasted the prompt and it is converted all into the text format. And here is my Claude that I am going to use to code. So what I have done, I have provided all this prompt what I need from the strategy to the ChatGPT. Here, this one, Claude. I'm not using ChatGPT. Say the prompt. Please make a trading board be straight for me, and these are my requirements. I have Kotak account. Here is the Python SDK link so that it can directly also read from the open source, but better to provide the latest SDK so that it will not get confused. So study logic I will copy paste for login purpose. Use the .env file that we will. So I will show you how to create. When the short signal generate by P, when the long signal generate by C with such and such condition. Maximum take 3 days per day. If you are not sure, ask questions. Do not assume anything. So this prompt, if you give to the cloud, it will create a strategy for you. As simple as that. I have already given. I'll let me give you again, and then sorry, I will copy it and paste to the there, and the logic as well. So what is the logic of the trade? Here is the logic. Rules for selling, rules for buying. Here is the logic, so I give just this one. So let's see how it will react. So it start creating the study. So I have already actually so whatever the questions, like it's not sure, it will ask you the questions. So suppose which underlying instrument you want to trade. I want to trade Nifty. OTM strike we will select. Which expiry you want to trade. I will say current expiry. So whatever it's not sure, it will take inputs from you and then you can answer it. So it will build. So whatever already it has built, I have just we will copy the same, and then because it will take 2-3 minutes. If the open position is open, close existing entire trade, new trade, no. Ignore the new thing. 9:15 to 3:30 it will only take. So it's start generating building the algo for me. So it will just take 2 to 3 minutes. So meanwhile we can see we have already have the code whatever generated by Claude only. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here. Here means like I create one file which contain my code. So let me just log into my AWS. Here is the my AWS instance I am running. So let's make the file to run the code. It's building. So whatever the like you want, you can just alter. Like I want to trade from this instrument. I want to trade Bank Nifty. I want to trade Nifty. I want to BK expiry, monthly expiry. Whatever you can just provide the prompt to the Claude. It will take care of everything. You can see here nicely. It has explained what are the configuration as well. So here you see what it will do. Signal all the define. Okay. If you go to the top, it will show yeah. It is on the 5 minute chart. See, long signal because as per the video, the long signal for 15 minute chart, short signal for 15 minute chart. 3 trade maximum, strike OTM, budget is like 2000. You will buy a premium of 2000 only, not more than that, like around it. It will trade from 9:15 to 3:30. So whatever rules are, it's providing you at the top so that you can check what the code contains. It will not hiding anything. Credentials will take from this file. I'll tell how to create this file and keep all your credentials there. MPIN is entered at runtime, never store, so that it should not your data should not get leaked everything on the AWS. So that's why keep MPIN with you only to enter in the runtime. So that's same I follow. So this is the whole code. I copy it and I'll show you. So here is my AWS instance. I'm logging. This is my IP for the AWS. I'm logged in. Yeah, there is some delay. You can see it here. Logging again. Yeah, logged in. So I have already created one folder that is trading boot. So I create one file. I'm using nano editor. I'll say this is test file dma 2.py. I'll copy paste whatever the I have copied. I'll paste it here. No need to change anything. Whatever the credentials name I'm using, I've already provided to the Claude. It will take care. I'll just save the file. I've saved the file. I'll just activate the environment to just run the code. This is just for activating the virtual environment. So to run the code, you have to write Python 3 and the your file name. This is the file name. Test.html5. I run it. So see, Nifty 55 EMA option strategy. It is asking for your MPIN. I'm entering my MPIN. Once I enter, see initializing Kotak new client, OTP generated, login successful, everything happened. So Nifty 50 bot, subscribe for Nifty 50 live feed already subscribed. So currently market is closed, that's why it's not printing anything. Otherwise, what will happen now? It will start printing the dots or showing the candle generation and all, and start monitoring the 5 EMA actually. And once the signal get generated, it will start taking the trade. So that's about it, and I'll show you how .env file looks like. So I open nano.env. So here are the credentials you need to store like this. There are multiple accounts I have stored, so you can store yours here. So that's it. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Do subscribe if you like.